Hello, hello, hello. Shane the Negotiator here, and I help coaches, consultants, and service providers to scale beyond 6 and 7 figures using legal, tax, and accounting strategies. And as I was sitting here having a little lunch, thinking about what topic am I going to talk to you guys about today, I got a phone call from one of my colleagues and actually gave me a topic to talk about because they had a question. So I'm not going to give the specifics, exact details, what the question is, but mainly the question was if a business owner has a S-Corporation and they took reasonable compensation, meaning they paid themselves a reasonable amount of wages, and they took a distribution, if the distribution is considered tax-free and how much of it is. So I'm going to break that down for you so you understand exactly what that would look like if it's your situation. So as an S-Corporation, you have to put yourself on payroll. So you get to take wages on payroll. So you get a W-2. So you are the employee, and my dog wants to squeeze her toy as I'm getting on this video because she thinks I'm on the phone. So if you are the employee and the employer for your own business, okay? So let's just say your business made $200K for the year, and you paid yourself $75K in wages. You paid yourself $100K in wages. We're going to make this math real simple. So you made $100K, you paid yourself on payroll $100K, and then after all your expenses and other deductions that you have for your business throughout the year, you have $50K remaining. So out of the $50K, you decided to take a distribution of $50,000. So let's say it's $200,000. You took $100K in wages for yourself. You paid some bills, paid some contractors, did whatever expenses that you had with the remaining $100K, and you spent $50,000. So you have $50,000 remaining as a net, right? So the other $50K, you took that out as a distribution. Will that be considered tax-free money? Yes and no. So if you have stock in your business, so you invested into your business when you initially created the business throughout the year, you've been putting assets into your S-Corporation because you're a shareholder. So you purchase, you put property, you have property or whatever, or you fund your business. So you put money into your business. Then when you take the distribution, you can take the distribution tax-free up to the amount that you put into the business for the stocks that you have in your business. So let's just say for this particular example, I'm going to put a higher number. You put $100K into your business, and now you want to take the distribution of $50K. That $50K is tax-free because you have $100K that you put in. So you're essentially getting your money back. And then you'll still have another $50K there for the next year if you want to take more tax-free distribution up to that $50K. So I hope we're tracking so far. Now, the other way around now is if you put $20K into the business over the time period, and that's the stocks that you have, the stock value that you have. So when you take this $50K distribution, the first $20K of the distribution would be tax-free because it has to offset the $20K you put into the business, the stock that you have, right? So the remaining $30,000 from the $50,000, that would be taxable income, but it's not self-employment tax. It's taxed as income tax. So that is the distinction, the difference in how I'm explaining to you how the S-Corporation works when it comes to reasonable compensation and distributions. So if this situation is yours, or if you're thinking about S-Corporations, you're thinking about taking distributions, you have taken distributions, and you want to know how this is going to affect you in your taxes, or if you're ready to file your taxes or convert to an S-Corporation, whatever situation you have going on that's tax and accounting related, your girl, hit me up. So click the link in the bio if you're on IG. Everywhere else, it'll be somewhere down below, and you can begin onboarding because I'm going to have the onboarding link. If you do not need to actually sit and speak with me, then I will give you instructions once you're in the portal, what's going to happen next. But if you need to actually sit with me to have a 15-minute chat to see if we're a good fit for each other, if we're to let me know briefly about what your situation is, and I'll let you know if I can help you, then you'll click the other link to schedule that 15-minute chat. Or if you need a consultation because you have a more deep dive that you need me to really go into, then that is for an investment of $125 for 30 minutes. So click those links, schedule some time with you and with me. And until next time, have a great day.